building a culture where innovation is the DNA of everything we do. Because innovation allows us to solve the challenges of water scarcity in this world, to solve our customers' problems better. And to do that, we recognize we have to try harder. And as you have to try harder, you have to recognize you have to have the willingness to fail, because you cannot win unless you take risks. So building a culture where we try harder, we fail fast, but we rise up and work again, so that we'll be able to innovate much better and much faster to solve the challenges of water scarcity and create value for our customers. To build a culture of failing and be innovative requires embracing diversity and inclusion. Diversity, it is not just about gender diversity or educational diversity or passports of nationalities, different upbringings, social upbringings, all of them are ingredients. They allow us to have team members who think differently, and that brings us cognitive diversity. And cognitive diversity allows us to think differently, be more creative, so that we could have different perspectives for the same problems to come with better solutions. And as we do that, along with the diversity, we need inclusion. We can imagine diversity and inclusion, it is like having the wonderful ingredients to cook a beautiful dish. But inclusion is the process of cooking. So just having wonderful ingredients don't make a great dish. The process of cooking it is equally critical. And inclusiveness is all about creating the environment where those diverse team members can speak freely without fear of retaliation, can really explore their minds, so that we'll be able to get the best outcome and solution for the challenges of the business and the market. Creating a culture like that takes time. And particularly, you think about that organization like ours, we are a melting pot of cultures. Our team members operate in 100+ countries, and our team members come from 7 different heritage organizations, 4 companies we acquired 18 months ago. So enabling a culture where even team members coming from outside companies can be part of us and can still express their viewpoints and can have a stake in the ground requires conscious effort. And it is not an easy job. This is not built in a day or in a week or in a month or a quarter. We know this is a multi-year journey, and we keep trying. As a technology-led business, we recognize we will try many things, and some things we will fail. And in my 20-odd years of professional life, I have failed too many times. That is why I lost so much of hair, and you can see that. But yes, absolutely. And as any innovation, we try to answer 3 questions. Is there opportunity in the marketplace and how big it is? We rarely fail on that. The second question we answer is, can we win? Can we create a solution that is really going to be differentiated versus alternate choices available in the marketplace? Yes, we fail. Many times we try and our solutions don't work. And lastly, is it worth it? Does it create value to the customers to solve their challenges better or faster or cheaper? The question number 2 and the question number 3 are the areas where we fail more often than the question number 1. I have been amazed about the acceptance of an industry like water that I used to always hear is very risk averse. Every innovation takes many years. That if we could really work with the right partners, with the right frame of mind, we can have higher level of acceptance and risk taking for innovations. To give an example, during the COVID time, first time in the industry, we launched a new product called a dry seawater reverse osmosis membrane. First time in the industry in decades. The seawater membranes were always wet. They consume 78 gallons of water for testing every single element the industry produces. And we took the courage because we want to make the world sustainable, and we are the water industry. If we want to waste water, how can we expect others to do a better job? So we took it and challenged our technical team to come with a solution. We launched a dry seawater membrane. I can tell you now, almost 50% of our portfolio of seawater in the last 18 months has been converted from wet to dry seawater. This is an amazing acceptance in such a short span of time. Of course, we had to take more risk on our part to increase the acceptance level. We extended warranty to our customers so that the customers could feel like we are more confident about technology. We are willing to take the pain in case things don't go right in the first place, and that inspired confidence. And today, definitely, we see much greater level of acceptance. And this is one of the many examples. I feel the industry is now going to be more innovative, because the COVID time has been an amazing example for the whole water industry to come together, do things in a way we have never done, because all of us have to work together to keep clean water flowing to all the homes, all the hospitals, and all the institutions around the world.